This all started because my Aunt Jenny needed a mask, so she asked my grandmother if she could make a mask for her since she knows how to sew, and my grandmother told my mom that we should start a campaign. So we started one called Four Gens, which means 4 generations that are currently in my family. My great-grandmother, my grandmother, my mom, and me. So that's what 4 gens means, and the other 4 gens means 4 people like Jen E. So 4 gens, 4 gens.
So I started making masks for the community because sewing was always a part of my life. It was always something I wanted to do, but it's never been something that's really helpful. And this can actually impact a lot of people, whether it's medical workers or my neighbors, just anyone, even my own family.
I wanted to get involved because I think that the coronavirus is a very serious thing and that we should help our communities more. This project means to me that I can feel hopeful while in quarantine. My role in this project is to wash, dry, and iron the cloth for the mask.
I just want to help because just a lamb ahead, everything counts. Like helping people and not being sick. I feel like I'm making little things can change the world.
It means a lot to me because I get to help people and I get to spend time with my mom and learn so much from my grandmas. I knew how to sew before COVID-19 when recently my grandma helped me make a barbecue apron for my dad and a beautiful table runner for my mom. I decided to get involved with making masks because my teacher asked for volunteers and I knew I could do it because my grandma recently taught me how to sew.
And my role in the mask project is cutting the pattern and fabric. This project makes me feel happy because it is fun and I get to help people. I wanted to get involved with the mask project because I was just starting to learn how to cut patterns and sew, and I wanted to use what I learned to help people in need during COVID-19.
Mask on, and gloves on, and wash your hands, and eat apples and oranges, eat apples and oranges. Poop on the toilet.